And they change the buckets on a 350 hole from the thumb to the bucket. So you knock there's a square block in there that holds everything in. Knock that loose, and then you can just get away from the and then swing in and hook her into the bucket the same way. You gotta get her just square. And then it sets in there, and then that little dog in the bottom, the bar. The bar locks it in, so you just bolt it up tight. There you have her, I think. Looks good to me. Then you just put that wedge in there. Put the wedge in there and then bolt her up. That's how it's done.